In a world where electronic waste is at an all-time high, it has never been more important to extend the life of products. Our environment suffers, and so do we. But we can change things. For over 300 years, Swedish manufacturer Husqvarna has been making high-quality outdoor products that are built to last. Husqvarna represents a long Scandinavian tradition of user-centered design. Sustainability is at the core of Husqvarna's strategy. Part of this is asking, how might we empower customers to care for and repair their products to give them a longer life? Achieving this is not as simple as you might think. Husqvarna has a vast catalogue of spare parts containing over 30,000 articles. They target a diverse group of customers ranging from the professional forester who know exactly what he is looking for, to the passionate amateur gardener who need a helping hand finding what she needs. We wanted to take Husqvarna's tradition of solving hard customer problems in their product design and extend this into the digital customer experience. Our vision was to design an experience so swift and easy that it could be handled from the top of a tree or over a brief cup of coffee in the garden. We ended up with the perfect feature, a simple, versatile, interactive spare part finder where users are offered a much more visual way of navigating through the huge library of products. Users have immediate access to all relevant data and documents. They can add spare parts to basket directly with one single click, without visiting product detail pages or other intermediary steps. We guide the user every step of the way. We make it easy to get in touch to find the right answer to questions, and we continue to listen to what the customers need. The results speak for themselves. Within the first month of launch, we increased the click-through rate by over 500%.
The sale of spare parts jumped by 73%.
Bringing the revenue levels to a record high. Spare parts now account for about half of all online sales, which is an increase of 100%. And finally, customer satisfaction has climbed 20% in just a month, which only goes to show that customers also love the move from replace to repair.